Information technology. The pandemic has enkindled technology-driven products, advancing them to the stature of a basic necessity. Thus, the deployment of technology has become indispensable. This has meant a mammoth demand for technology-led companies, triggering an upswing in their valuations. COVID-19 has flogged a plethora of industries. However, India has witnessed phenomenal growth in the IT industry, engendered by a resilient global delivery model. This evolution will be an ongoing process that will testify to augmented outsourcing and thereby escalation in business. India is now in a sweet spot. The anticipated time has materialized for tech solutions designed in India to be deployed globally, meaning a blurring of boundaries in the information era. The inevitability of information technology can be understood with the snowballing of the internet. There are 4.54 billion internet users as of 2019, with over 100 billion Google searches a month and 3.5 billion social media users. The video that you're watching right now, the channel, the search, everything actualizes right here in this phenomenal web space. This remarkable space is fashioned by information technology. In this video, we're going to engage you with in-depth knowledge on information technology, an all-pervasive and sensational course. This is a post from your favorite education guide, College Suggest. Know your course, know your career. Domestic manufacturing of electronic gadgets such as mobile phones and components, television sets, laptops, all are anticipated to generate 1/5 of India's economy by 2025. According to Ravi Shankar Prasad, Minister of Communications and IT, in 5 years, this will fetch an additional investment of 11,000 crores and create 300,000 direct jobs. The access and affordability of mobile phones have elevated it to a requisite where all information is available at your fingertips. Let's now dive into the nitty-gritties of information technology. It is a broad branch of science that creates a platform to provide students with technological skills and scientific knowledge. Students explore how electronic data is generated, processed, stored, and specializations such as security, hardware, software applications, and artificial intelligence are employed. Globally, India has been celebrated as a knowledge economy due to its path-breaking IT industry. IT-based services and products have become pivotal to any business enterprise in order to thrive. The IT sector has continuously achieved breakthroughs in the governance and banking sector. It has revolutionized India's image from a slow-paced bureaucratic economy to a land of innovative entrepreneurs, a global leader in offering exceptional technology solutions and business services, a champion in all sectors of development such as education, manufacturing, mass media, finance, communication, marketing, entertainment, environment, etc. There are also other novel fields included such as virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, and robotics. According to NASSCOM, India's IT industry will escalate to $300 billion in the next 5 years, from a current $190 billion. Furthermore, a report by Naukri.com stated that the overall sector witnessed an upward month-on-month recovery, peaking in September at 63% for hardware and 20% for software roles. The report also elucidated on top-notch roles in hiring, including software developers, tech leads, tech architects, testing engineers, technical content developers, database architects, and solution architects. This field has a wide range of opportunities and lucrative salary packages. Project Manager Information Technology, Rs 16.87 lakh per annum. Team Leader, 12.99 lakh per annum. Information Technology Consultant, 14.48 lakh per annum. Senior Software Engineer, 9.96 lakh per annum. Senior Software Engineer or Developer or Programmer, 9.71 lakh per annum. Software Developer, 4.95 lakh per annum. Software Engineer, 5.31 lakh per annum. Digital India, launched 5 years ago, is no longer seen as a regular government initiative, but has transcended into a way of life, particularly for the marginalized. The flagship campaign Atmanirbhar Bharat thrust on the potential of local technology to eclipse on a global scale. The magic bullet here is the convergence of information technology and business technology, positioning India as a champion in this field. Some of the big players are IBM, Infosys, Dell, Intel, Wipro, HP, Tech Mahindra, HCL Infotech, TCS, CTS, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. In the early 2000s, the IT sector contributed to less than 5% of the country's GDP, whereas today it contributes nearly twice as much. As of 2020, India's IT workforce accounts for 4.36 million employees. Therefore, India is emerging as a new hub of digital skills. The skills required for an IT engineer are as follows: communication skills, organizational skills, problem solving, research, customer service, knowledge about software like cloud security, JBoss application server, metadata design, integration architecture, distributed computing, information architecture, and in-depth knowledge about programming languages. Why should you acquire these skills? These skills will help you perform your duties as an IT specialist flawlessly. Some of the tasks of an IT specialist are as below: to design, operate, or maintain technological products, to provide services related to software, hardware, databases, web resources, networks, and enterprise systems, to work in network management, software development, and database administration, to provide technical support to a business or an organization and train employees on the information systems, to design systems and check the capabilities of any technology resources of concern, to persuade external partners including consultants, agencies, and vendors for appropriate system or integration of multiple system deals, to plan, implement, and maintain all information technology products, to troubleshoot issues for both hardware and software, and finally to provide end-user support for a variety of web applications. Isn't the job of an IT specialist interesting? To be an IT professional, we must first become an IT student. To become an IT student, the candidate must have passed class 12 in the science stream or an equivalent board with computer science as one of the subjects in higher secondary. The minimum marks required to be eligible for admissions as set by AICTE is 50%. Attaining these qualifications, you can enter into some of the top colleges in the country for your IT graduation. The Australia-India Technology Framework on Cyber and Cyber-Enabled Technology enables limitless cooperation between the two countries in space research, critical minerals, 5G, AI, and quantum computing. According to the survey Global Demand for Indian IT Contractors, the United Kingdom, Ireland, the Netherlands, the United States, and South Africa are among the top countries attracting and retaining highly skilled IT contractors in roles such as software engineers, senior Java developers, cybersecurity engineers, data scientists, web developers, and UI or UX designers. The IT sector has witnessed a massive 48% increase in hires of the contractual workforce. Despite the increase in demand, this still means that you need to be adept, having a solid qualification from a top-notch institution. Some of the colleges offering a great curriculum in IT studies are as follows: Delhi Technological University, Anna University, National Institute of Technology, Surathkal, Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology, International Institute of Information Technology, Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology, VIT University, Vellore, Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, College of Engineering, Pune, Jadavpur University, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. As for the fees, for a 4-year full-time undergraduate program specializing in information technology, the tuition costs may range between 4 and 6 lakhs. The average cost for an IT postgraduate program in the country is between 2.2 and 3.2 lakhs. The average salary offered to a fresher in this field is Rs 3.03 lakhs per annum, which means that you can earn back your fees in less than 2 years. The Uttar Pradesh government has attained a 5-year target under the UP Electronics Manufacturing Policy 2017. This policy has attracted a Rs 20,000 crore investment and provided 3 lakh jobs in the information technology sector in just 3 years. Therefore, this promising sector can be very lucrative if you can engage in smart and innovative work. As a pioneering sector, information technology opens its doors for fresh and young minds to serve companies with novel systems and web designs. The brilliant Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube have all been developed with innovative IT minds. So what is stopping you from becoming the next ingenious creator? What is the course that you want to pursue next? Tell us and we will give you all the information you need. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit us on collegesuggest.com.